Let's talk about the suspended chords. I know sometimes when I'm playing, you'll see on the screen written, maybe let's just say I'm the key of G sharp. You'll see this Sus4, or you'll see this Sus2, and you wonder what does that mean. So that Sus simply means suspended. So it means I'm playing a suspended chord. And what is a suspended chord? Is when I'm replacing my third finger. So right now I'm in G sharp, and then this one here, B sharp, which obviously is C, is my third finger, right? And then if I'm on C, the same thing. So for instance, I'm playing Sus2, D is my third finger, right? So let's go back to G sharp, or we can go to C sharp, right? And then let's look at how you can use this suspended chords. And we have, suspended 2, and then we have Sus4, right? Just gonna use Sus just to shorten the weight, but just keep in mind this is a suspended chord that I'm using. And I don't want to leave it there, because it's always important to know how you can use this in your playing, because if you can just know Sus2, Sus4, but you don't know how to incorporate it in your daily playing or weekly playing, then it's easy to forget these things. But if you know how you can use them in your daily or weekly playing or practice, then you won't forget them, right? So let's look at our perfect one, which is C sharp. We're in the key of C sharp, and I'm gonna be moving around the keys, but for now I'm in the key of C sharp. This is our scale. And what I'm showing you can do it in every key, right? So it's not limited to one key. So let's first look at our one. So if now I'm moving my middle finger, and then just backward, I'm skipping this one here, and then I'm placing it here on D sharp. That gives me a Sus2 suspended 2. I'm still on C sharp. And then if I go back to 1 and move that middle finger just up, not skipping any key or any note, that gives me Sus4, right? So Sus2, Sus4, and you can do this. I mean, let's go to G sharp, Sus2, Sus4, right? And you go to C, Sus2, Sus4, and then F sharp, Sus2, Sus4. Now let's go back to C sharp. Let's see how you can use this in your playing. Let's say maybe, so how I usually use this, right? Because there are no rules. It's up to you how you can use this, but I'm gonna show you how I usually use this. In fact, I usually use suspended chords usually in a worship, right? When I'm just ending the song and I just want to stay there, I don't want to change the song. Sometimes I use this when I'm about to change the song, and I just want to keep that flow. For instance, let's take the song off We Give You Honor, right? Glory, we worship you, Lord. So instead of the song ending, then I'm just gonna be here, play my suspended chords. Then if the song changes, then when I'm still here, I'm trying to think of another song. So you see, this helps you not to kind of like instead of like switching on completely, so you can continue within that same atmosphere. Especially Zuri, so I find this suspended chords very much useful, especially when coming to worship, because you don't want to cut off, the sound. You want to keep that, sound flow. You want to keep the flow. You want to keep the atmosphere. So even if the song changes, I'm just saying, if they just ended that song of, Yeshua, you can jump into, any song literally, just coming from this, suspended chords. It can be from, C sharp, from one, or it can be from any key literally. But yeah, these are suspended chords, and I hope you'll be able to use them in your everyday play.